Hello, this is Magdalene, and I am teaching today about recommendations. And I have taken some key points here. And if you take the first one, concentrated acids, second one, lab instructions, third one, hand gloves, fourth one, lab coat, fifth one, chemicals, sixth one, tube holders, seventh one, fire extinguishers, eighth one, formal shoes. And I hope you can guess the topic of the recommendation. Probably it is about writing a set of 8 recommendations to be safer in a chemistry lab. That is what I have selected. So I have selected 8 key notes, or you can say keywords. So all these keywords, if you remember, you can write everything so clearly. Whatever you see here, you can make it a recommendation. So 8 recommendations you are going to write using all the key points. And this is about demo on how to write all these 8 points using the key notes. So now let us take concentrated acids. Before starting this, I want to give you why do we need to write recommendations. What is the purpose of writing recommendations? So again, here you are having a problem and you are giving some suggestions, recommendations to solve the problem in different process. It is a process, you can say. 8 methods, 8 suggestions, 8 recommendations you are giving to solve the problem. The topic is related to a problem, or it may be related to the main cause of the problem. So using that, you are going to write 8 recommendations. So if you take the first one, concentrated acids, second one, lab instructions, third one, hand gloves, fourth one, lab coat, fifth one, chemicals, sixth one, tube holders, seventh one, fire extinguishers, and eighth one, formal shoes. So how to start the recommendation? And we know very well we have to start that with, if it is a positive statement, you can start with it is recommended to, or if it is a negative statement, you can start the statement with it is not recommended to. So probably this is the method you have to follow. It is recommended. Thereafter you have to add infinite verb, that is to plus any action verb that you add after that. You call that as a statement of recommendation. So now let us start with the first one. I will write it here, you just note it down. Now I am going to write for concentrated acids. How are you going to write for that? Before starting that, I will read out the question. Write a set of 8 recommendations to be safer in a chemistry lab. So now I have selected the first one, concentrated acids. How are we going to write for this? So you can guess how we can use the statement here. It is recommended to, we can add, and after that concentrated acids. So probably we should not use concentrated acids, but in the chemistry lab they are supposed to have concentrated acids. So we can write like it is recommended to handle concentrated acids safely. So we can't say that you should not use concentrated acids because it's a chemistry lab. You are supposed to use, and so probably here I have used to plus handle. I said this is the infinitive verb. Okay, after it is recommended, you are adding a to and plus action verb. You call that as infinite verb. So first one is over. Second one I think lab instructions. How will you write? So probably always instructions we remember the word follow. So you are writing it is recommended to follow lab instructions in a proper way. So this is The second one, it is recommended to follow lab instructions in a proper way. The third one, hand gloves. So probably gloves, you can use the verb use, right? So here it is recommended to use hand gloves in the lab. So this is how you are going to write for the third one. For hand gloves you are using, it is recommended to use hand gloves in the lab. So in the chemistry lab you can write even. Next, chemicals, lab coat. So how will you write for lab coat? Okay, I'll give you a suggestion. So probably wear. Okay, it is recommended to wear lab coat in the lab. Okay, this is how we can write for that. It is recommended to wear lab coat in the lab. Next one, chemicals. Be aware of chemicals. So some students, what do when they do the experiments? They even wrongly misuse chemicals. They drop it, or else they drink it, or else they taste it. So these things we have to avoid. So you can write here, it is recommended. So probably here you can use not. It is recommended not to taste chemicals in the lab. That you can write. So here I am using not and to plus the action verb. Here also I am using to plus the action verb. Here also I am using to plus action verb. Here also I am using to plus action verb. Last I will explain what is the purpose of it. Sixth one. So you are taking tube holders. So how will you write for tube holders? So it is recommended to use tube holders when needed. Okay, or you can write when it is needed. Okay, so I can say again, I can repeat the sentence. It is recommended to use tube holders when it is needed. Next one, fire extinguishers. So we know very well, in the lab usually they should have fire extinguishers. So how are we going to write this? Why do we use fire extinguishers? Because you are having inflammable things inside the lab, and so you are supposed to have fire extinguishers inside the lab. So it is recommended to keep fire extinguishers in the lab. So this is how you are going to write. Last one is very easy. You can try formal shoes. Again you can use the word wear here, and so you can use the same thing here. So it is recommended to wear formal shoes. So altogether I have written all the 8 statements. You can go through this. You can read it again and you can find it out whether it is useful to you. And this video tells more about how to write a recommendation, and that I have given for one question. I want to give another question for you to try it in the house. The question is this. That is the second question. Recommendations, I have given the key points. You can try and you can write. This is for write a set of recommendations for students, those who are appearing for the semester examination. You can try the students and you can use the methodology that I have told for writing recommendations. Please follow everything. You try this using the key points, and if you want any help, you can call me via WhatsApp or over mobile phone. Thank you. Do this, try this, don't waste your time. Use the holidays in a proper way. Thank you. We will meet again in the next video lesson. Thank you all. Thank you, my dear students.